Welcome to this video where we are watching clouds together. This video has interesting photos where I am seeing what appears to be an angry bird, but it also could be a cute little fluffy bird. The beak is pointing to the right and the feet are underneath it. I'm really curious and would like to know, what do you see in the clouds in this picture or in these pictures? Let me know what you see, because I think I'm seeing something else right now as I am recording this. So let's spend some time watching clouds and sharing down in the comments below what we see. Also share this video with others, click on the like, and please remember to subscribe if you have not done yet so. Thank you if you have, and enjoy. Remember to take a deep breath, and I will see you in the next video.